So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the top day losers in regards to stocks here on Yahoo Finance. So the first thing you have to do is once you have the Yahoo Finance app open up on your device is to go to the bottom bar right here and press on the search bar or the Discover magnifying glass icon to go into the Discover screen. Once you're on the Discover screen, if you're looking to view the top daily losers for stocks, make sure that in the top left the equity tab is selected. So for example, if the mutual fund tab is selected, just slide this bar to the left and press on the equity tab. Once that is done, just scroll down until you come across an option that says day gainers and losers. Discover the equities with the greatest gains and losses in the trading day. So for right now, the gainers is selected. Simply just press on losers right beside it to make sure that it is blue with highlight. Then press on day losers right here below it. And there you go. Fairly straightforward, but that is how to view the top daily losers in regards to stocks here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.